Hi, beautiful people. How is your day going? Hope you're good. Okay, I don't know that I'm living with snails, oh my people. I don't know. So I've been craving to have snail, to eat snail, and something in me just told me, ịma na Chineke si na na-esi n'ebe a na-ekpofu ahịhịa wee bunye nwa ogbenye enu. What am I trying to say? You can get good things in unexpected places. Now, so I say, my landlady get plantation for this compound. How snail no go dey there? Yes, I didn't know I was also paying rent for snails. Yes, now, because as far as I'm inside the compound, what is inside the compound is also mine. Okay, maybe not. But I'm happy. See, I picked a lot of snail under this place. Even me myself, I shock. Hey, so I be dey live with snail all this while. I don't know, and I had wanted to go to the market to get these guys. See snails where I pick now. Check them. Just check. If I want buy this snail for market, you know how much. But that doesn't mean. Sometimes it's not every time turkey. I want chicken. Try they eat snail, Kwano. Try they eat snail, sis. Try to eat them baraki and to sedimentate some rightful places in your system. You get me? Not be every time I want turkey. Try one snail. And funny enough, this snail. Okay, I think they are the same category. Yeah. But they told us that snail gives blood. Yes. Sometimes take your money, take that 1,000 naira. Stock is even how much? You can use 1,000 naira and get snail in the market and eat it. And oh my God, yes, you come back and thank me. Just search the benefit of snails in our system, like eating snails. Just go and Google search and come back and tell me the feedback. So let's go back to making snail. Okay, while watching this snail, it was reminding me of something. Yeah, it was. And it's not that thing that is going through your mind, sister, brother. I know that your mind is already going to that place. It is not it. It was reminding me of how we used to wash snails. Sometimes now, people don't use stone to break the shell of snails. Sometimes some people use ntu or pin. I don't know how they do it, but I was brought up like this. We break a lot of snails and we eat it together in the family. So I remember how we used to use ashes to wash snails back then in the village while my grandma was still alive. And guys, it's been long I ate snail, so I decided to check it around, and I'm happy that I was able to get this beautiful snail. Look at this snail. I chop this snail, drink better cold Pepsi. If you still wear like that for bed, you go think say I don't win jackpot. Sometimes try and eat snail. Thanks for watching.